In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xumo Play. But this is a full setup and installation guide, so stay tuned. First, you need to head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and proceed to search for Xumo Play. You should be able to see right here this particular application. If install button is available, head over and click on the install button. However, if you have a Fire Stick, you can actually open the downloader app or head over to the search bar in order to search for Sumo Play to be able to download this. Now, once you have it installed, you should be able to find this. Just click on this icon right here, and then from in there you can find Sumo Play. Head over and click on this, and then after that you can move it into the very top if you would want. So to play this, you just need to open this and wait for this to load. Once it's done loading, you can see right here the recommended live or TV as well as other channels that you can use. You can proceed to click on this watch now in order to watch those if they also have free movies that you can also utilize. So just click on the watch now, you can see the featured TV shows and separate sections for live channels. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.